Divine earthy sweetness of Nolen Good is spiked by the fire from the red chilies, and it is then baked into a decadent velvety and golden cheesecake with a crunchy and buttery base. Garnish with glazed berries to add an extra feather to your cheese cap. For the list of ingredients, check the description box. Ensure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Push the band directly onto the paper and clip it shut. Leave an extra overhanging paper to easily remove the cake. Alternatively, crush the crackers in a zip-top bag with a rolling pin. The mixture should resemble wet sand-like texture. Use the bottom of a flat cup to level the crumbs on the base and sides of the pan. Build up a wall that will go halfway up the pan like a barrier. Use a double boiler method to melt jaggery to avoid burning. Keep the jaggery warm. Cream the cheese and sugar on medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Scrape the bottom and sides of the pan in between. Fold the ingredients gently into the batter. Don't overmix it as the cake will collapse. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. A water bath is a slow and even baking method that prevents the risk of cracks on the surface of the cake. The steam from the hot water lifts up the cake gently, making it extra moist and creamy. Wrap the foil up the sides of the pan, assuring no water gets through. Baking time will vary from oven to oven. If the top of the cheesecake starts to brown, tent loosely with a foil. Check for doneness at 60 minutes. If the edges are completely set, check for doneness again after every 5 or 10 minutes. Crack the door open to avoid sudden exposure to change in temperature. Let the cheesecake cool down in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Run the knife around the edge of the pan to prevent cracks and holes from forming on the cake when it starts to set. Ideally, chilling in the fridge overnight is recommended. If there is a time constraint, the range between 4 to 6 hours is fine. Make sure the cheesecake is at room temperature before you transfer to the fridge. Remove the cake strips. Place the pan on top of a glass and slowly push the band downwards for an easy removal of the base. Gently peel off the paper and place it on a serving plate. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. To get neat slices, dip the knife in warm water and wipe the knife clean in between slices. Press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.